I believe that it's approximately 8% of drivers that cause the hit and run accidents that actually flee the scene that are actually caught and there's ever an arrest made. That is primarily my biggest reason for wanting to help assist law enforcement agencies to give them better tools to hopefully be able to up that percentage tremendously. Because I feel like with such a low percentage, I feel like people that are involved in hit and run accidents now, they feel like, why not? Why not flee the scene? I can probably get away with it. Most of the people do.
I think also too, that percentage is so low for the simple fact that a lot of times the people that do witness those events, you know, they're so busy in their life that either A, they don't pay attention to what's going on around them and they just drive right on by, or they figure, well, you know, not my business, not my problem, and then they, you know, they just stay out of it instead of, you know, taking the time to observe, maybe make a mental note, and then reach out to law enforcement and ask and let them know, you know, this is what I did see. Our desire to help the law enforcement agency was brought about through the fact that they are so short-handed. They're underfunded, short-staffed, and spread very thin. And with the quantity of traffic accidents that are tragic or that are fatalities, they don't have the resources and the manpower to prioritize and make each case personal, so to speak. We were very fortunate having the first responder was the next door neighbor to my father-in-law. So he was able to actually take the case very personal. And there's other families that probably won't have that opportunity, you know, with their specific scenario or case, or loss. But so what we wanted to do was maybe try and focus on dealing with specific areas in certain departments that maybe didn't see the funding that other departments or other areas in the agency would typically get. You know, it's not a prioritized crime type deal like gang-related crimes or, you know, bank robbers or something like that. So it's not that it gets pushed to the side, but if we could do something to help that department directly, that's why we came up with the idea of trying to do something on the traffic side for the law enforcement agency.